Bond, James Bond. Boom. Boom. James Bond. Want to do an iconic James Bond intro for your next movie? I'm gonna show you how to do it in this tutorial with Lumafusion. Let's go. Okay, this is roughly what we're going to do. James Bond. The man with the golden gun. Okay, that's not very good, right? Not very good acting. Okay, try the next one. James Bond. Boom. Okay, that's roughly what we're going to do, okay? First thing we want to do is get in the clip. Get the clip in. So try this one's better. Silhouette. Then what you want to do with double tap on it to go to your edit clip. Go to color and effects. Okay, color and effects. Then go to the swirl here. Right there. Next to the key. Okay, delete that. And go down to telescope. Okay, telescope down there. Tap on that. And it will take you to this screen. So that's your telescope. Okay, you can move around. You know how James Bond is going to move around like that, right? Okay, so how about we start from here, right there, then we zoom out like that. Okay, James Bond. Okay, so we start somewhere there. Turn on the keyframe. Play. Let's animate this a little bit. Go in when he's James Bond face, yeah, go in like that. Okay. I want to move this around as well. Okay, so when he's moving around, I'm gonna move around with him. You get the idea, right? You go to here, that's the where telescope is where you're gonna play, okay? Don't go too far, otherwise, let's see, blend, distraction, and I want retraction. Go down a little bit, there you go, make a big circle, like that. And that's the end. Okay, and you zoom out. Okay, that's how you play it. I'll show you how to do it now. Let's really go to this telescope and you can make this iconic James Bond. Okay? Play with it and leave me down a comment below how do you feel about it, yeah? Let's play. James Bond. Boom. Boom. Yes, it came out very good. James Bond. Aye, that's still a rough job there, still sounds come out good. Yeah, so I'll show you the key now. So go to your telescope and you can do the iconic James Bond 007. My name is Joe. I'll see you next time with another video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I supply you all this great stuff. It's time for you to click that red button down below here. I'll see you next time.